What's going on right now? We are tracking some rain on Viper radar. We've been watching this batch move out of South Georgia all morning long, and it's been expanding in coverage and also been intensifying a bit too as it's lifting to the north. We've had some showers and thunderstorms light up out here over the Gulf Stream too, and even move on shore. Pretty decent storm coming right up through Williamsburg County earlier, now moving into the PD, and we've got our steadier rain beginning to take shape down to the south near Colleton County and Beaufort County. You're getting some rain now on Edisto Beach, heads up Seabrook Island, Kiowa, Folly. Rain's going to be moving in here within the next hour, and you can see the darkening of the sky here on the horizon from the top of the Francis Marion Hotel downtown, where it's 67. It's 67 right now in Yuchi. It's 66 at News 2 Studios, 67 in McClellanville, 66 on Johns Island, and 65 right now on Folly Beach. It's 64 in Somerville and 64 in Georgetown. We're looking at highs today in the mid and upper 60s to near 70 with a rain developing and maybe even a stray thunderstorm or two. East ones at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. As we look at Vipercast, you'll be able to see the rain beginning to spread in as we move through the rest of the afternoon, coming in bands as we head through the midday hours or mid-afternoon hours, but then by evening, a really solid batch of rain looks to be moving in ahead of a warm front. And this is the one that we're concerned about that could produce some flooding for us in the barrier islands, downtown Charleston, and Georgetown, right along that Highway 17 corridor, on top of the high tide. That's the problem. If we had the rain without the high tide this evening, then we would be okay. If this were coming through in low tide, we'd be all right. But because it's coming in during the evening as the high tide is taking place, it's going to be a bit of an issue for us. Now, the good news is it gets out of here pretty quickly, and we see some improvements until the day tomorrow, when it looks like another batch of showers will begin to move in. So planning it all out for you, 69 degrees at 3 o'clock. As we head towards 6 p.m. around 64, clouds will lower and thicken. We'll even get some thunderstorms into the mix, I think, this evening around 61 as we head toward 9 o'clock. And again, there is a risk of some flooding. This is not one of those, hey, slam dunk, we're getting a big time flooding event. That's not what this is. But it's all conditional on, do we have heavy rain falling over these areas while the tide is in place, the high tide is in place, and that would be an hour or two either side of it. If we've got a band that sets up over downtown in that time period, we're going to have a problem. It's just the bottom line there, and that's why we're looking at this. But it is a conditional flood threat at this point. Inland areas are going to be fine. Off and on rain with a stray thunderstorm, southwest winds at 10 to 15 for the day tomorrow, and our rain probability at about 40% through 10 a.m. That goes to 60% at noon, and we keep a decent risk of showers in the forecast through late afternoon into early evening, and even a few thunderstorms thrown in the mix. By the time all is said and done, a half an inch to an inch and a half of rain back inland, about an inch and a half to 3 inches of rain from the Charleston metro right up 17 and a stripe up to Georgetown County. And then by Sunday, we're done with this. We're looking at afternoon highs going into the mid-60s. It is going to be cooler Sunday and breezy with plenty of sunshine. Monday in the upper 60s and partly cloudy, low to mid-70s. Tuesday, count on 2. For the Low Country's only 10-day outlook. Wednesday, Thursday will be in the low to mid-70s with a rain chance. And then as we head toward Friday, Saturday, Sunday, mostly sunny as we gear up for the Easter weekend. And highs will be in the 70s as it looks now.